So today we're starting on the genetics monohybrid cross lab.
Monohybrid cross lab.
And here are our materials. We have 3 calculators for Lisette, myself, and Carla. And we have no Brenda or Carrie. Here are the 2 pennies that we need. And this is the, what is this?
Enlarged
the F2.
onion root.
That's a lie because this is an F2 corn for the monohybrid cross. So let's get started.
Heads, tails, occurrence and record our results on the table below.
So we have to toss them 24 times. Both of them at the same time?
Yeah. And then we'll see if it lands on heads, tails, or tails.
Okay, so we each take turn doing that? Is that cool? Cool, okay. Here we go. What is it?
Heads, tails.
Heads, tails.
So
Okay.
I guess just tally. Should we make the tally here or be neater about it?
Tails and heads.
These pennies are rigged. They're weighted.
That was a lovely throw. Looks like heads and tails are winning. What is that? Tails and heads. Dang! Tails. And tails, yes. It's gonna take forever. Do we want to keep recording all the 24 times or just?
I don't think we have to.
Yeah, we're good.
Again.
We'll show you the results later. The actual for heads was 5.
Cinco.
The actuals for heads, tails
That's
was
11.
11. And then the actuals for tails was 8. Alright, cool. Let's keep going. Okay, so our expected was 6, 12, 6. Oh, here's our example down here. So what's going on?
This one's we're finding
Deviation?
which is gonna be our expected minus our actual.
Okay.
So that's 5. I mean that's 1. That's 1, and then this is -2.
Okay. Wait, what?
6 minus 8. Yeah.
So for our next thing, we're squaring the deviations, so it'd be 1, 1, 4, and then we're squared and divide by expected, so you get 1/6, 1/12, and 2/3. And so now we're going to do the x squared equals sum of all, so that would be deviation squared over expected. So we got 11 over 12, and here's our proof. Now we are on the monohybrid cross with the corn. Look at it. Look at it.
No.
So now we have to count the total number of seeds in all the rows, and then we'll count what the number of purple seeds and then the yellow seeds.
Oh no.
I call the yellow seeds.
I call the purple ones.
Do we count this?
What you call the roomies?
Okay, let's start with the colored ones. That way we can just add the purple and then that's the total.
So what color do I?
The corn, and we came out with 197 yellow seeds, 538 purple, and Carla's doing the calculations right now. So
35.
735. So 735. So this one would be the dominant. And then let me see. The purple would be dominant, and there's enough yellows right here. Recessive.
I like that.
So, here we go. Did our Punnett square here. Did what tells you expect purple and yellow. The ratio would be 3 to 1 for dominant to recessive. And right here. How many do you expect to be dominant phenotype purple? 1 3/4, and then 1/4 for the recessive. See right here. And then we did all our calculations, and these are the numbers we got. They are pretty gross and disgusting. So now we're at the 12.2 genetics hybrid cross and chi-square test explained. And this thing is longer than a mug.
And mugs are long.
God. Look at all this. Bro. So we predicted that our corn will be smooth because it's mainly smooth all over and there's not ugly ones.
I mean, they're ugly. They're just.
I mean, they're pretty ugly, but they're not
I want
wrinkly.
my babies to look like that.
Ugly?
Like corn.
These is our results from the parents. It's pretty huge. But what did we get for our actual
Well, we didn't have any wrinkled.
on our corn?
Yeah.
So we're perfect.
The first row, it would be.
We're
all-
purebreds. 45. Why did I do that?
Do what?
If I knew it was 3,600, I had to buy 137. So divided by 137 would be 137. 15, 625 divided by 413 would be 37. And so now we have to add all of these. 37 plus 137 plus 26 plus 45 would be 245. And this would have been with the class, but half of the class is not here.